Imagine building a skyscraper that heals itself after an earthquake, or a phone battery that charges in seconds and lasts for days. How about a bandage that senses infection and releases antibiotics only when needed? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to advanced materials and nanotechnology, these ideas are quickly becoming science fact. Let's start with the basics. Advanced materials are not your everyday materials. These are specifically engineered substances with properties that go beyond what we find in nature. We're talking about super strong, ultralight, self-repairing, flexible, or even transparent materials. Now throw nanotechnology into the mix, science at a scale of atoms and molecules, and things get really interesting. A nanometer is just 1/1000th of a meter. That's about 100,000 times thinner than a strand of your hair. Tiny tech, giant impact. Number 1, energy storage that packs a punch. One of the most exciting frontiers for advanced materials is energy storage. Say goodbye to clunky batteries. Scientists are developing nano-engineered batteries and supercapacitors that are not only more powerful, but also charge incredibly fast. Materials like graphene, an ultra-thin form of carbon, have the potential to revolutionize how we power everything, from electric cars to smartphones to entire cities. There are also efforts to create solid-state batteries, which are safer and more stable than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Thanks to nanotech, we can design materials at the molecular level to optimize how they hold and release energy. Number 2, medical marvels. In medicine, nanotechnology is leading to breakthroughs that once seemed impossible. Researchers are creating nano-sized robots. Yes, teeny tiny robots that can travel through your bloodstream, delivering drugs directly to diseased cells, like cancer tumors, without harming healthy cells nearby. And it doesn't stop there. Imagine smart bandages embedded with nanomaterials that monitor wounds, detect infections, and release medications only when it's needed. These advances reduce healing time, prevent complications, and can even reduce hospital stays. Number 3, building the future with sustainable materials. What if the concrete used in sidewalks and buildings could absorb carbon dioxide from the air? That's not just a dream. Scientists are developing carbon-absorbing cement, self-healing concrete, and insulating aerogels, materials that help build more sustainable and energy-efficient infrastructure. Nanotechnology also enhances solar panels by increasing their ability to capture sunlight, even on cloudy days. This means more clean energy, less reliance on fossil fuels, and a greener planet. Number 4, everyday wonders. You might already be using nanotech without even realizing it. That scratch-resistant coating on your sunglasses. Nano-enhanced. The stain-proof shirt you wore yesterday. Yup, nanotech. Even some food packaging now uses nanomaterials to keep your snacks fresh longer. And how about sports equipment? Tennis rackets, golf balls, and bicycles are being made stronger and lighter thanks to advanced composite materials developed using, you guessed it, nanotechnology. The challenges ahead. Of course, like any powerful technology, advanced materials and nanotech come with challenges. Scientists are carefully studying the health and environmental effects of nanoparticles. Regulation and safety standards are catching up with innovation, but the potential benefits still outweigh the risks, especially when research is done responsibly. The road forward. We're still scratching the surface of what these tiny tools can do. As research continues, expect to see new materials that are stronger than steel but lighter than air, invisible to radar, or capable of regenerating themselves. The implications stretch across almost every field, from aerospace to agriculture, and from consumer products to climate change. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that advanced materials and nanotechnology aren't just futuristic buzzwords. They're the building blocks of a better, cleaner, and more efficient world, one atom at a time. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.